At WTK Holdings Berhad, we believe in building partnerships based on trust, ethics, and sustainability. Our Supplier Code of Conduct sets the foundation for responsible business across our supply chain. The code complements our procurement practices and supply chain management policy, ensuring that all suppliers operate with transparency, integrity, and care for people and planet. Suppliers are expected to uphold high standards of ethics, social responsibility, and environmental stewardship. This code applies to all vendors, contractors, and service providers. Compliance is expected not only from direct suppliers, but also from their teams and subcontractors. The code is rooted in 6 guiding principles: trust, integrity, responsibility, excellence, professionalism, and accountability. Suppliers must conduct business ethically and comply with all applicable laws, including anti-bribery, anti-money laundering, and fair competition practices. Bribery, facilitation payments, and kickbacks are strictly prohibited. Suppliers must align with WTK anti-bribery and anti-corruption policy. Suppliers must protect confidential and personal information shared by WTK in the group, using it only for its intended purposes. Suppliers are expected to provide the group with high-quality and environmentally responsible products, ingredients, and services that comply with all applicable quality, environmental and safety laws, standards, and regulations. Suppliers shall respect human rights, prohibit forced or child labor, and foster fair, respectful workplaces. Suppliers are expected to provide fair wages, respect legal working hours, ensure adequate rest periods for all workers, and respect the rights of their employees to freely associate, including the right to form or join trade unions and to engage in collective bargaining in accordance with applicable laws and without fear of retaliation. Suppliers are expected to respect the rights of indigenous peoples, including free, prior, and informed consent for activities on customary lands. Suppliers shall comply with occupational health and safety regulations to ensure a safe and healthy workplace to employees. Safety information on identified workplace risks shall be made available to inform and train workers to protect them from those risks. Employees are provided with adequate protective equipment and tools which free of charge. Suppliers must comply with environmental laws and adopt responsible sourcing and resource conservation practices. Suppliers are encouraged to take practical and measurable steps to reduce their environmental impact, including minimizing resource depletion, energy consumption, pollution, greenhouse gas emissions, water usage, and waste generation. Suppliers are expected to source materials ethically and sustainably, avoid conflict minerals and illegal deforestation, and disclose material origins when requested. WTK may conduct audits and inspections to ensure supplier compliance with the code. Suppliers may undergo risk assessments covering labor, environment, health and safety, and ethics. Those with strong practices may be prioritized. Any suspected violations of this code may be reported through WTK whistleblowing policy. We protect those who report in good faith. We understand implementation can be challenging. WTK works closely with suppliers to support ongoing improvements. To access the full Supplier Code of Conduct and related policies, please visit our official website. By upholding this Supplier Code of Conduct, we are taking a meaningful step towards sustainable supply chain management. Let's build a responsible future together.